friend.
Wish we stay here a bit longer.
My forehead's getting cooked. A movie night.
It looks so different. Oh,
Very good.
cheers. Come on, come.
We go there tomorrow.
Where do we end up, please? What a random encounter.
I know.
We ready to go to Bangkok?
Yes.
I really wish we stay here a bit longer,
Look
even
how
a day
nice
or
it
two.
is.
Yeah, such a beautiful place. Definitely need to come back.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
And we'll do more like. Well, I want to do like a tour guide as well.
Yeah, we didn't have enough time to do any sort of tour. Like we want to go to the sticky waterfall.
Yeah. Bamboo reef, where you're like.
Oh, the rafting.
Yeah, the raft reef.
The reef. The reef. Bamboo reef. What?
I'm making up my own tour thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, I saw that and I thought that would be quite cool. What's funny, I don't know how to swim, but I like water stuff.
Strange
water
person.
activities.
This is strange human
So
being.
yeah, next time I think that'll be really good.
So our flight is not until 3 o'clock today, and just gonna go outside and get some food before we leave.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very hungry.
You said you found a place, isn't it?
Yeah, it was across the road.
Okay. Take us then, leader.
Always searching for something in the bag.
Gonna say your last hello to your friends.
My friends.
Get a quick coffee, and then we head to the airport. The airport is actually not far at all. It's
Yeah,
literally
it's like 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Yeah.
Great location.
Yeah. Curry cup. I'm gonna get a matcha latte. Do you want any? I think there's soft cookies, black cheesecake, custard cake, anything.
No, that cheesecake. No, soft cookie.
We have four flavor.
Oh, there you go.
And juice.
Ooh,
Maybe the matcha.
matcha.
Last one.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Yeah, could I get one latte ice and one matcha latte ice as well, please?
Sugar. So 250 please.
Thank you. Come on, grab. Thank you. Come on, grab. Ready to go?
Thank you.
Thank you. Come on, grab.
You too.
Go that way. Bird lady, we gotta go.
My forehead's getting cooked.
Alright, let's head to the airport.
Yeah, let's go.
Thank you. Come on, crab.
Got our suitcase. And we're ready to go. I still grab brother. Ready to go. Cup and go.
Oh no. my elephant pants on. It's actually really cold here in Bangkok today. Surprisingly, I heard the announcement it's only 26 Celsius and it's raining.
Yeah.
What a big change from Chiang Mai to here.
Oh god, it's like cold.
It's flat UK. Oh, first objective. Gonna get into our place. Luckily, we already checked in the first time we came in.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we got our big suitcase there. You just need to go in there. And then after that, so hungry. Literally, it was this whole morning. We only had coffee. We didn't have breakfast.
And coffee.
Thank you, Kamukrab. So, before we go into Chiang Mai, we actually did check into our Bangkok hotel already and left our big suitcase here because we came quite late that day. So we didn't show you guys the room tour, but
I chose this place as well. So let's do a room tour. This is the bathroom here. You got your sink here. Ignore the clothes and everything. Got a nice space here.
you can lay it on here and have another
there
bed.
is a mini fridge, but things there.
By the way, Mon chose this one. That's why she's
Yes.
getting gas sewing up. Go on, show us.
The main thing that we chose, well, I chose this hotel. There's normally a movie night, and you can take a seat here and watch a movie.
Yeah, so here, a little ledge.
But it's been raining, so today.
We kind of trade Chiang Mai sunshine
Yeah.
for the raining in Bangkok at the moment. I mean, we're still gonna be here anyways, regardless, enjoying it.
I'm excited.
So we are gonna try to get some rest.
Yeah.
Yeah, freshen up real quick and head
Gonna
out to get some food.
Some rest, and then we're gonna eat.
Plan to go to Emsphere.
Yes,
Yeah,
Emsphere
we're-
would be good. Last time we went, it was actually like ready to close, so we want to explore it properly.
Yeah, that was like over a year ago now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was our first time.
So
going
it's
there and it
so
was amazing.
overdue to go there again.
Yes, well, we would love the food court, so
Yeah.
that's why we're going.
Yeah, that's
For
what
the
we're
food
going
court.
again.
So yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
How you feel being in Bangkok?
Oh, good.
Very hungry though, so we are in walking towards Emsphere.
You
Right.
feel the aircon?
Yes. Ready to eat and explore?
Yes. I had a good nap.
It looks so different compared to the last time we were here.
I know.
Like so different. Go on, leader. You choose
Get
first.
some skewers. Salted beef, sweet pork.
Oh, sweet pork salmon.
Maybe sweet pork. Swadika.
Yeah. Hi, Sawadee. Could I get one of each, please? Thank you. Come on, cup. Sawadee.
Swadika. Sweet pork, please. So good, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks amazing. Come on, crab. Thank you. Come on, crab. Wow.
We're just going around and collecting food.
Yeah, there are like so many food stalls here. I'm not gonna have to meal plan because
Good. Swadika. Yes, please.
Thank you.
I love the sauce.
Come on, crab. Like a roast dinner. Ooh, gooey cookie.
I thought you were behind me.
Sorry, got distracted by the cookies.
This bit is like more restaurant. That's cool. Right, I'm stuck.
Got a bit too much skewers.
Do you know what it is? A lot of it has changed.
Yeah. I think you had a lot more restaurant now. Yeah, so like the actual street food, like skewers and stuff like that, there's only like small section in the middle compared to
quite a bit.
Yeah, quite a lot of
Yeah.
different dishes, but it's not bad. So we got a bunch of different sausages.
I know.
Yeah, I think these one might be similar to the one that we had in
And Chiang Mai.
no, Icon Siam.
Oh yes.
Wow. Anyways,
I'm gonna have
Cheers.
the first bite.
I was waiting to cheer, but
Oh.
it's okay. That's nice. I really like the thing. The meat is really bouncy. That's spicy.
Oh no. Very messy.
This is something that we never tried before. Sweet pork.
There you go.
Cheers.
Oh.
It's like dehydrated glazed pork. I can imagine this get the sticky rice.
Yeah.
You might have saved that
Yeah, we're gonna save this.
and get some sticky rice with it. That is really nice. It tastes almost like hardened beef, like pork jerky, with a really sweet glaze.
That was really nice.
Very sticky. That's really good.
It's a good portion as well because you don't need too much and
No.
it's quite chunky.
You know what? I'll save it for the rice. Oh, just one topping, please. Condensed.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kamun Cup. Wow.
Oh, I can't wait to eat it. It's nice and warm. Let's fold it so you guys can see. Get that smell.
Oh, it's nice and hot. That sounds crispy.
Imagine this with a cup of tea.
Oh, yeah.
Oh gosh. Oh, I like the chairs. I'm going to take a picture.
You're so random.
colourful.
Oh yeah, they also have the IKEA here as well, isn't it?
Yes. And there's a lot of shops here that we missed last time.
I mean, it's coming up to 9 o'clock. We're late again.
Still enough time. It's better than last time. When we went on this floor, it was actually closed. There was nothing. Remember?
Yeah, everything was
That's
shut.
nice.
I think they also closed as well. Oh no.
So it happens again.
Again.
Why are you nervous?
We know exactly where we're going.
No, we're not going to go there today. We can go here though.
Go on then.
See, I'm good. We'll go there tomorrow.
Wow.
Look.
Massive yadom.
Oh, that's cool.
I like bottle. Like a flask. They're cool.
Should get this for noodles.
Basket. That's cool.
No.
I can imagine though, we put the keyring on this. You're just gonna catch it all the time now.
Yeah.
That is cool though.
But then imagine having it on your bag or something. Be quite cool. That's cool.
Oh, like a
Yeah.
Tetris
Look,
game.
look. And call you whenever I want.
Oh, the suki looks cool.
Ooh. I need it. Get more clothes.
Right, so I guess we are here just for some skewers and IKEA.
Yes. Na, 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 na. Entrance.
Oh, I wonder if they still sell food. Oh yeah, I remember they sell like different stuff at home as well, isn't
Yeah.
it? Oh, I think they're shut. Are you closed? Oh, wait, now.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
thank you. Could I get one nacho cheese hot dog and one meatball hot dog, please? Thank you.
Thank you.
Kong Kap. Wow.
So pretty. Let's try the hot drink. It's very cute.
Nice. It's the same as home.
No,
No?
it's better.
There's one bite the thing.
Told you.
Oh, the bun's soft. You know the Subway meatball?
Oh,
That's
yeah.
exactly what it tastes like.
Is it?
How do you bite half a meatball, man? This is banging.
Yours has more cheese, like real cheese in it.
Yeah.
You finished yours?
Yes, it was small. I feel like to come back and get another one. This is one of the best meatball hot dog ever. Let's see.
No. Some plants. I remember this tour.
Oh yeah. We was gonna buy this ourselves for our actual home before we
Yeah.
sold it. I love how we decided to choose our first day in Bangkok to go to IKEA. So that was a quick trip to IKEA.
Yes.
I don't even know where this video is going. Guys, we are very tired.
I know.
I think we just need to head home and sleep. I don't even know why we're trying to leave the house today.
I think we're a bit delirious.
Yeah.
Don't unstop us, please. I'm begging.
Where did we end up, please? What the heck? What the heck?
I think it's our bedtime.
Ah, I remember this.
Yeah, but not that way though.
Yeah.
Gasolina. That's cool.
What a random encounter.
I know.
So I'm pretty sure this is like the top floor. Oh no, there's one more floor up there. Like all bars and
Yes.
all bars really, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's cool though to come on there.
Yes. You gotta be ready for it though.
So, what's your verdict?
Dress for the part if you want a party.
Wow. Guys, I think that's bedtime for us. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
wrapped up for today's video, I guess. This is probably
Random
one of the most
video.
random video we ever done, to be honest. Yeah, we'll see you guys next time. And we'll continue a proper day out in Bangkok.
If you want, write some comments down below.
Yes, suggest
And
us
suggest
where
us
to go,
where
please.
to go
'Cause,
and what not to do.
yes.
And then please like and comment and subscribe. Continue to subscribe to us.
And see you guys next time.
Bye.